guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be I am so ready for spring and summer to come now because this cold weather is not doing it for me type of makeup tutorial. I'm joking. If you have me on Snapchat, I did a makeup look similar to this when I went out a weekend ago or so, and a few of you guys requested for it. I thought I'd do one. But yeah, make sure you add me on Snapchat so you can see the kind of looks I actually wear out. Make sure you thumbs up this video and comment and subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So I'm just starting off by concealing my lids by using the MAC Studio Perfecting Stick in NW20 and setting it with the RCMA No colour powder just to act as a base. And I'm going to use those two transition shades there and apply that to the crease. Just to start off the eye look and make sure the colours blend seamlessly. And then I'm going to take that orange shade from my Juvias Place palette and just start applying that to the crease as well to really warm it up, as this is a orange kind of eye, and I'm just patting it as well. And then I'm going to take the darker orange shade from the second Juvias Place palette and start to layer that on top as well, just to add some dimension. And then I'm going to take a medium brown shade and start defining the crease. And now I'm taking that really warm brown shade and just start defining the crease even more, or further defining it, should I say. And yeah, just build up the warmth. And I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12 to cover up my crease with a flat shader brush. And just pat it and let it dry. And then I'm going to take that shimmery gold shade from KIKO, and I'll leave all the names to these eyeshadows and the palettes in the description box. They've completely gone out my head. I'm just going to pat that and put that onto my lid. And then I'm going to define the outer corners with the dark brown shade from the Juvias Place palette. And then I'm going to take a champagne gold glitter from eBay. I'm just going to apply my glitter fix gel first, and then I'm going to start applying the glitter right on top of the lids. And I'm going to take my gold glitter liner I'm going to take my Angel Veil primer, and I'm going to put my combination of Maybelline Fit Me and Ordinary foundation on top of my face. Get my skin tone looking all even or whatever. And now I'm going to start highlighting with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Make sure to carve out the corner of your eyeshadow so you get that sharp line. And then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to go back in with the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick and just further highlight because it's brighter, and that's in the shade NW20. And like I always say, I like a bright under eye, which is why I use it on top of my concealer, but you can literally just stop highlighting wherever you want to. It's just up to you and your preference. If you're going to use a light concealer like this, you just need to make sure you're blending out properly and make sure you go in with a cream or liquid contour to blend out the edges, which you see me doing here. Using the Makeup Revolution concealers in the shade C16, I'm just contouring my jaws, my chin and my forehead, and then I'm going to use a brush to contour my nose as well. And you can just see all the colour come back to my face. I look a bit more normal now, so there's no problem there. And then I'm going to set my under eyes with the RCMA powder as usual and just really pack that in, but press it in at the same time, and just set all the other areas on my face. And then I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Face Powder in the shade Cocoa as my face powder, and just press it into the skin as well and set my foundation. And then I'm going to take the Sleek Woodsmoke powder as usual and bronze up and contour my face. Now I'm taking this Collection pressed powder in the shade Warm Bronze, and I sometimes use this just to blend out my under eyes, just to stop it looking ashy at all. I don't really get the problem of having ashy under eyes, but I just use it as a backup, and then I just blend out my whole face. And then now I'm going to set my face with the Badescu Lavender Rose Water Spray. And now I'm taking this brow gel from the company Brow Coats, and I'm going to set my brows and just make sure they look all nice and defined. So now I'm just going to line my eyes with some black pencil, and then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line using the same shades I used on my eyelids on my lower lash, and that's just going to bring back the warmth and just bring the eye look together. And then I'm going to apply some coats of mascara to my lower lashes as well, and just create a nice dramatic wing line. I kind of went wrong on this side compared to the other one. This wing was. And then I'm going to use some AliExpress lashes. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box because they're amazing, and just put those on. These really bring the eyes together. And I'm just going to apply a little bit more setting powder just to make it nice and bright, and then go in with my blushes. And I'm using a combination of the pink, orange and brown shade from the Juvias Place palette, and putting quite a bit on top of my cheeks. And then I'm going to blend out my under eyes, and you can just see it's a bit more brighter now. All of this is optional. I like to use a lot of powder if you haven't noticed, but I just make sure I blend out everything really well. And now I'm going to highlight with the two shades, with the gold shade from the Juvias Place palette as my first highlight. And then I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey on top. And using two highlighters just gives you a bit more dimension. And I'm also going to highlight my nose, and I also put some of that highlight in my inner tear ducts as well, as you can see. And then I'm going to line my lips with my brown lip pencil. This one is from LA Colors, and I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to use this lip gloss pencil from KIKO, and I'm going to go on top with the KIKO 3D lip gloss on top as well. This is my favourite lip combination. I literally do in every single video, so you guys know I love it. And then yeah, I go on top with a clear lip gloss as well. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. All the products will be in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.